Hello, this is Emily coming at you from Prince George Ford, and today we're looking at the 2025 Ford F-150 XLT. Coming in this nice carbonized gray coloring, this vehicle is powered by a 3.5-liter V6 EcoBoost engine, has four-wheel drive capabilities, and comes equipped with a black appearance package, tow and haul package, and the bed utility package. Taking a look at the back here, we got rear park sensing, tow hitch. We do get a nice tailgate step as well. We have mud flaps on the rear and front with gripped running boards on each side. We've got a side view camera, spotlight, and turn light indicated blind spot detection. And moving to the front, we do get this lovely black hood deflector, front park sensing, recovery hooks, license plate bracket, block heater, front view camera, and that nice Ford grille. Taking a look on the inside, we can see this vehicle does seat up to 5 pretty comfortably with this nice black sport cloth interior, plenty of door space, floor mats, carpet interior, cup holders and storage, rear vents, 2 USB-Cs, and 120 volts. And of course, you do get a lovely split folding rear bench seat, which is perfect for extra storage. Taking a look at the driver's side now, we can see here we do have a nice power driver's seat with the same cloth interior we saw in the back there. Plenty of door space up front, auto stop start lights, spotlights, parking brake, all on your left-hand side. Taking a look at the vehicle while it's running, we can see here that the odometer is sitting at 9.6 kilometers. We do get this nice leather-up steering wheel, toggle-free screen, phone and media, volume, voice, and cruise control. Looking at our screen here, we have My View, trip and fuel, gauges, off-road, towing, status info, navigation, phone, audio, vehicle maintenance, and other settings. To my right, we have our gear select with tons of storage outlets, cup holders, your center console, tons of more storage. Drive modes, rear locking diff, four-wheel drive, trailer brake, pro trailer assist with heated front seats, dual climate outlets. You got upper and lower storage right here. And of course, you do get your features for your powered rear window opener, park sensing, hazards and traction with your 360 view of your vehicle, which you can go through different drive settings. Looking here, we have our audio, which has AM, FM, Bluetooth, and Sirius XM. You got your phone controls, your navigation, fave apps such as messaging, email, Wi-Fi hotspot. Any apps you may download will show up right here with your Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. You got your settings and your features of the vehicle. If interested, the stock number for this vehicle is KE47014, and you can head on down to PG Ford or give us a call.